People of Trinidad and Tobago and those who are listening, something has crossed my mind. Many of my patients are coming into the hospital with hematuria, which is bleeding when they pass urine. Some have been coming in with bleeding their gums, and no cause can be found. And then I decided to ask about the use of omega, which is the omega, I think it's omega 3, and it is found in a lot of omega products. A lot of omega products are being promoted as a cure-all of everything. I want you all to understand that anything that has the word omega or omega in its ingredients has the propensity to make you bleed and bleed and bleed. It is what they call a blood thinner, like aspirin, warfarin, Plavix, and those type of drugs. But they don't tell you that. But it is written that if you are taking blood thinners, and you could end up with severe bleeding if you use these omega products. I want you all to be very careful, very, very careful, and tell your doctors if you are on the omega products of any form or fashion, because you can bleed to death. I've seen it. We had a lot of problems this morning with a patient, and other patients have been coming in. Sometimes people come for prostate biopsies, and I make sure and ask if they're on any omega products, and when they say yes, I don't do it for 10 days. If you are on omega products, do not do any surgeries, and if it's emergencies, you can bleed to death. So be very careful what you're taking, because it's advertised as a cure-all for everything. It is not, and you can bleed to death. Be careful, please.